Hi, I'm Marcus Commodore, Chief of the Data Science and Artificial Intelligence Engineering Division here at the JAIC. Let's talk about the last step on your AI adoption journey, implementation and sustainment. First, I want to clarify that although this is the last step in the adoption journey, it is just the beginning of the AI journey. Technology, and especially AI implementation and sustainment, is a continuous process with software updates, AI models retraining as they gather and use more data, and occasional hardware upgrades. It's a continuous life cycle of data, training, and upgrades. Once you have developed your AI solution, it's time to put this life cycle and technology to work. The initial implementation of the product will require retraining people to learn how to use it, taking time to install the product on various systems, and most importantly, revamping workflows for maximum efficiency. AI changes the way work gets done, and without looking at workflows, adding AI won't create those optimizations. AI training also includes some unique challenges not seen with other software upgrades. Training personnel to use AI in practice requires rigorous evaluation through responsible AI principles, something the JAIC has practical experience with. Here at the JAIC, we understand the user training requirements and software lifecycle for AI. We look forward to working with you and welcome you to your AI journey.